Dear children, today we will do the activity to understand what are soluble substances and what are insoluble substances. For doing this activity, I have taken 4 glasses of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 spoons of sand and 2 spoons of rice. So I will tell you what are soluble substances. Soluble substances means the substances that dissolve in water are said to be soluble substances. And the substances that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. In these 4 material things, we will see which are the materials that are dissolved in water, that are soluble, and which are the materials that are do not dissolve in water. Okay. First, I am adding sugar into the first glass of water, and I am stirring it very well. I am doing stirring. Then I am adding salt into the water. Second glass of water, I am adding salt. And third glass, I am adding sand. And I am mixing it very well. In fourth glass, I am adding rice. Mix it very well, all the 4 glasses. After some time, you can see, if you are checking into the glass, you can see the sugar is completely dissolved in water. Okay, you are not able to see the sugar. And it means sugar is soluble in water. Sugar is soluble in water. In the second glass, you can see salt. It is also dissolving. Now you can see the salt is completely dissolved in water. You are not able to see the salt also. Okay? You are not able to see the salt separately. Okay? So, salt is also soluble in water. In third glass, if you are looking, you can see the sand is not dissolved in water. Okay, you can see the sand. You can take the sand like this. Sand. It means sand is not soluble in water. Okay, it means insoluble. And the rice, please look at the rice. You can see the rice is rice. You can see it means it is also not dissolved in water. So, it is insoluble in water. From this activity, you can understand salt and sugar is soluble substances, but sand and rice is insoluble substances. Sugar and salt is soluble substances. It is soluble. Sugar and salt is soluble in water, but sand and rice is insoluble in water.